New tonight, it's called the Pathway of Justice, and today it was dedicated at the First Congregational Church to honor those who stood up in the face of adversity. 10 TV was there for the ceremony. Rain may cause a disruption.
Please note the uniqueness of this design and concept. There is not another social justice park anywhere in America.
But not for those that went to Washington Gladden Social Justice Park.
God reigns with the just and the unjust. Fortunately today, the just were all under a tent.
It was just another step down a path forward.
Each stone has a quote from somebody in the history of the nation or the world who has done the work of justice. Some of them are local people.
Each one dedicated and donated with the quotes of world leaders and religious figures to local luminaries. Those honored gave a voice to the voiceless.
And a lot of people have had a lot of things taken away from them. They've had their dignity taken away. They've had respect taken away. They've had justice taken away.
2 years ago, this park was dedicated in the rain.
A testimony to our heart that we're going to fight through it and keep going.
Keep going down the road of justice.
The way I look at it is the work of justice is always local, and it may have a global context, but it's got to be done where we live, right? You've got to make a difference on the streets in the town where you are.
163 individuals and 15 organizations contributed to the Pathway of Justice. 37 stones were dedicated today. There were a total of 60 to be done once it's completed. Now, each stone is placed to spell out letters and words associated with social justice spelled out in Morse code.